Hey parents, I'm so glad you're here because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to administer this reading assessment to your child, step by step, just like I'm doing with mine. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it looks, I promise. Let's get started. Before we do anything else, the very first thing you need to do is print out a complete set of the student copy. And I mean for each grade level. Yes, all of them. Now you might be thinking, why do I need every grade level? My child's in second grade. Great question. And here's why. Your child may be in second grade right now, but when we get to the sight words or the reading passages, they may struggle at their grade level. And if that happens, you need to be able to drop down to a lower grade level to find where they actually are. And you'll want those materials ready to go without scrambling. For example, if your second grader reads the grade 2 passage and it feels really hard for them, what we call frustrational, you'll want to go back and try the grade 1 passage. And that's totally normal. And that's what this assessment is designed to help you figure out. The goal is to find their instructional level if they're struggling, or their independent level if they're reading well. We want that sweet spot. And it works the other direction too. If your child breezes through the grade 2 reading passage, go ahead and try the grade 3 one. Let's see what they can do. Oh, and the parent guide? You can print that too if you like having a hard copy, but it's not required. Totally your call. Make sure to locate the score sheet that matches your child's current grade level to start. So if you have a kindergartner, print the kindergarten score sheet. First grader, grade 1 score sheet, and so on. Just know that you may end up pulling out other grade level score sheets depending on how things go, and that's okay. You'll be prepared because you already printed everything. One more thing before we dive in. This assessment actually has 3 screening windows built in. Pre, at the beginning of the school year, mid in January, and post at the end of the year. You do not have to do all 3. You might only do pre and post, or maybe you're starting mid-year. That's fine. Just make sure you write the date on each one so you can track progress over time. Parents, I want to pause here and say something really important. This screen is designed to help you identify your child's reading ability level and any deficiencies of the reading process, the building blocks your child needs to become a strong reader. It's a helpful tool and a great starting point. But it's not a complete assessment. There may be other factors contributing to your child's reading challenges that this screen won't catch. Please keep that in mind. Use this as a guide to understand where your child is with their grade level reading ability. And if you have bigger concerns, reach out to your child's teacher or reading specialist. You can also find more information at nutsaboutreading.com. Okay, if you're working with a kindergartner, I want to walk you through the concepts about print section specifically because there are a couple of things that you need to know. First, make sure you're using the story provided in the student copy section of your download Surfer Girl. That specific story aligns with the questions on the kindergarten score sheet. And if you use another book of your choice, make sure it represents all the questions asked under concepts about print. Okay, sweetheart. We're going to look at this story together, and I'm going to ask you some questions. I want you to show Mama or tell me what you think, and there's no wrong answers. We're just exploring. Parents, you'll notice I have a couple of index cards here, and depending on your child, you can use index cards or 2 blank pieces of paper to help them respond to certain questions during this section. Some kids do better when they can point or cover parts of the page. But, and this is important, you know your child best. If they don't need the cards, skip them. You decide what works. All right, parents, before I let you go and get started, 2 big reminders I want you to carry with you through this whole process. Number 1, practice flexibility. Your child might need to move up or down grade levels in different sections. And that's not a failure. That's exactly what this tool is designed for. Go with it. Number 2, be honest with the scoring. I know it can be tempting to give your child a little extra credit. We all want to see our kids succeed. But the only way this assessment helps them is if your score reflects what's actually happening. Be fair, be accurate, and know that the truth is what helps them most. You got this. This process is all about understanding your child better so you can support them in the best possible way. If you have any questions about the assessment, you can email Kristen at buckaroobuckeye.com. She is a K-12 reading specialist with over 30 years experience in education, is wonderful and happy to help. Now grab those materials, take a breath, and let's go help our kids become readers.